Lakha ingkoi rapho nilip MSC constituency ke parlo kedam tang HSLC asatlang ki una tuma phan karcho mate felicitation ajai me KSA Nilip Head Branch atumpen karcho pon KSA Nilip Head Branch atumpen patirpi ponsi Nilip Head Branch amaipu Gabriel Kilingpen maija ponsi manpeng alohia manpen Moniram Teron KSA amaipu Bukajan lapen Longbirson tiso KSA Bukajan lapen Phapangjang aluhi Samson tiso abarim MSC Sunil Tokbi Suresh tiso Bilison Terang, Jacob Tiso, John Killing, KSA Bokajanatum, Chingrum Dunsi, Aliralon Pen, Kichar Liao, Somaratum Pan, Karcholong, Ning Pathedun. Surihinira Inkoira Isipen, Surihinira Inkoira Hiniabaha, HSLC Chukihola Center Pen, Kadukawea candidate Parohinira Pokebra Pli Ando. Lapen, Sadlang Angtek, Kachepa Undunatum, Kadukawe Bang Parohinira Klikebra Ketomatum, Chepa Undunlo. Bang Solong First Division kachepalong dun bang ingkoy ratrok. Second Division ang deng kachepa undun at kawe bang paro isi ratrok. Lapen Third Division ang deng bang paro isi rat crazy anatuk chepa undun lo. Lapen kawe pang rumpet pen hantrok sikep ranar kep ang deng chepalong dun lo. Bang so karcho amay long HSLC asatlang kiun kiminaya tumapansi archo pon paprang pon lo. First Division Sami Sangmir Teron P 81.81%, letter mark Mathematics, Social Science, Hindi, General English, cleared up NTP, 78.6%, letter mark Hindi, Sarkiri Hanse, 78.4%, letter mark Karbi. Lapen pininilipen ke ongdung atum HSLC asadlang ki undun atum aphan karcho pona longpen ke chengsi Karbi subject letter mark kilong ke inudvet bonta Karbia subject ke piningsi ke patok chenglang. Pensita Karbia subject letter kiwan chengabang sarkiri hanse phan ansuse aprang dunjia phan lapen ki unduna tuma phanta hirjume pajirpon lapen ki unduna tum phan an file cover pen Karbi poho pen archopon.
The Karbi Student Association's Nilip Branch are organizing a small program to facilitate the class 10 pass out students of 2022. And we, the Karbi Student Association Bokajan District, on behalf of Bokajan District, we would like to express our gratitude to our KSA Nilip Branch for organizing such beautiful program to facilitate our upcoming youth and also the futures of Karbi Anglong. Such initiative, we believe that will boost the morale of the students of Chokihola as well as and also would set an example for the other part of student for other parts of students.
The main case are current set up and Niligdun school and Plukimon English school. Nidi bangga aprang 9 pen elective and benda Karbi bangga letarban di aprang benda ninghang u apa nidi bang susah bang bor ipek lo chali bang bang begi pu memang un cilo walong cilo.
Yang telah Karbi subject
Karbi pada grammar abang sungkung sab chalik an sung re he jo hoi ta Karbi bang ke grammar bang sab sung hoi
yang tegong
rang le tuma phan amdan bor I asonte unji pusi mathala the Karbi ke thang subject pen ni thang ke thek menda the jibor I te togun thegi ben sab bor I te unji
Chukihola pen Sonjit Kro Karbi Anglong live.